5 low-cal, low-carb, keto substitutes for lentils in Indian cooking. Be it North Indian or South Indian cuisine, one thing is common. That's lentils. From gravies to sambars, they're in everything. But if you're on a low-carb or keto diet, lentils can be a bit of a hurdle. But don't worry, there are 5 healthy low-carb substitutes for lentils that you can actually use in traditional Indian cooking. First one is ground lupin beans. These are made from lupin legumes and are an awesome low-carb, keto-friendly lentil substitute. You can find them on Amazon. See link in description or simply search up Carrington ground lupin on Amazon. Heat 1 cup of ground lupin with 2 cups of water in a microwave for 3.5 minutes or as directed on the package. Let it cool first. Then blend it with a bit of water and lemon juice to make a smooth dal-like paste. Add turmeric to give it the dal-like color. You can as well salt it with onion and tomato to make the traditional dal tadka recipe. Lupin can taste a little bitter, but adding tomatoes or lemon juice can reduce the bitterness. Next, try steamed butternut squash instead of dal. Cook butternut squash until it is soft, then mash it to a creamy dal-like consistency and use it in place of dal. Steamed mashed butternut squash is perfect for dishes like sambar. It mimics the texture of traditional dal really well, with fewer carbs and calories. Craving something more South Indian style? Try a paste of coconut, walnuts or sunflower seeds, and red chilies. Blend them into a thick paste and use it instead of dal in dishes like sambar or kotu. Number 4. Cauliflower mash. Steam it, mash and blend it along with cashew nuts and milk and spice it up. It works well in veg gravies and gives a neutral base that absorbs flavor beautifully. And finally, zucchini puree. Zucchini puree is light, low-calorie, and easy to cook. Just blend it with cashew nuts or walnuts, and mix it with your usual spices. It's a sneaky but satisfying thickener and lentil substitute for dals and soups. Remember, traditional dal is an amazing protein source, but if you're watching your carbs or doing keto, these swaps are super helpful. Be mindful of the quantity of nuts, as they can quickly add up calories. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more weight loss hacks.